UVexplorer is a powerful, cost-effective solution that helps you understand, document, and monitor your computer network. The first step in using UVexplorer is to run a network discovery. During network discovery, UVexplorer probes your network to find all of the devices connected to the network and collects detailed information about each device. UVexplorer also analyzes the network to learn how all the devices are physically connected together. When discovery is complete, UVexplorer displays a categorized view of all your devices. By clicking on a device category, you can see a list of all devices in that category. By selecting a specific device in the device list, you can view detailed information and inventory data about that device. For example, you can see the device's IP and MAC addresses, SNMP and WMI system information, network interfaces, installed software, serial numbers, and much more. In addition to detailed device information, you can also view your devices organized by IP subnet or VLAN. To see the devices in a particular subnet or VLAN, simply click on the IP Scope tab and select the subnet or VLAN of interest. UVexplorer also has views that show your wireless network and virtualized computing infrastructure. In the Wireless tab, you can see your wireless controllers, access points, and clients. In the Virtual tab, you can see your virtual hosts, machines, and switches. UVexplorer also provides a variety of reports that show data across all the devices in your network. By clicking on the Reports tab, you can view asset and inventory, device connectivity, installed software, and running process reports across all your devices. You can also see a variety of WMI reports, including BIOS, operating system, CPU, and disk drive. Each time you run a network discovery, you can save the data collected by the discovery to the UVexplorer database. Each discovery result represents a complete snapshot of your network and its devices at a particular point in time. By saving a discovery result, you can reload it at any time for viewing. By running periodic network discoveries, such as hourly, daily, or weekly discoveries, you can see how your network is changing over time. Using the Discovery Differences tool, UVexplorer can show you exactly how your network changed between any two discoveries. By saving discovery results to the database, you can document the state of your network over time. This can be useful for documenting and demonstrating compliance with PCI and other governmental regulations. In order to keep your network discovery results up to date, UVexplorer supports scheduled discoveries. A scheduled discovery will run a discovery on your network on a regular, predefined schedule. For example, you might want to automatically discover your network every few minutes, every hour, every day, or every week. Each time a scheduled discovery runs, it stores the results in the UVexplorer database. This allows UVexplorer to detect changes in your network and tell you when new devices are added or removed in the network, and when connections between devices change. In addition to providing detailed device data and reports, UVexplorer also knows exactly how the devices on your network are connected together, right down to the physical port level. Sometimes this is called Layer 2 topology. Based on its knowledge of your network's physical connectivity, UVexplorer automatically creates detailed maps of your network. You can see a map of any group of devices by simply selecting the device group on the left and clicking on the Map tab. you can easily change the layout settings for a map to change between radial, hierarchic, and custom layouts. You can see information about the network links in a diagram by mousing over or double-clicking on the link. In the IP Scope tab, you can view network maps for any IP subnet or VLAN in your network. In the Wireless tab, you can view maps for your wireless devices, and in the Virtual tab, you can view maps for your virtual devices. In the Device tab, you can also easily create custom network maps containing any set of devices you desire. Because it knows exactly how your devices are connected together, UVexplorer provides a variety of powerful tools for building out your custom network maps. For example, you can use the Add Connected and Remove Connected features to easily add and remove the devices connected to a particular device. If you need to create network diagrams for sharing with colleagues, incorporating in documents or presentations, or just hanging on your office wall, you can easily export any network map to a PDF, SVG, or Microsoft Visio file. Just like disk drives need to be backed up, so do the configurations of critical network devices such as routers, switches, and firewalls. If a network device ever loses its configuration for any reason, it is important to be able to quickly restore the device to its original configuration. To meet this need, UVexplorer can capture and back up the configurations of network devices. Device configuration capture can be done as part of the normal network discovery process. Configurations can also be captured on demand using UVexplorer's Capture Config tool. You can also view the differences between any two device configurations. This lets you see how configurations have changed over time, or see the differences between the startup and running configurations of a device. In addition to discovering, mapping, and documenting your network, UVexplorer can be used to monitor the health of your network. UVexplorer's monitors can be used to periodically test the health of your network and its devices to ensure that they are functioning properly. If any problems are detected, you'll be notified of the problem so you can take corrective action. UVexplorer provides ping monitors for monitoring the up and down status of devices, CPU monitors for monitoring CPU load on devices, and disk drive monitors for monitoring free space on disks. UVexplorer also provides network interface monitors, DNS monitors, and much more. For example, you can create a ping monitor to ensure that important network devices are always up and running. To do this, select the Monitors tab and select Ping Monitors on the left. Add a new monitor and give it a name. Then select the devices to be monitored and the schedule on which the monitor should run. In this case, the monitor will run every minute. When you're done, save the monitor. This will cause the monitor to start running on the schedule you selected. After the monitor has run, UVexplorer will display the current state of the monitor. To get more details about why the monitor is in its current state, you can select Monitor State Details from the context menu. This will display information about each device participating in the monitor. After the monitor is run a few times, you can select Ping History to see a graph of the monitor's performance over time. UVexplorer also shows device status on network maps. In general, you will also want to receive notifications when important events occur, such as when a critical device goes down or when a disk drive starts to fill up. To receive notifications, you can configure your monitors to log important events, display them in the Windows system tray, or email notifications to one or more email addresses. As you can see, UVexplorer provides a powerful set of features that help you understand, document, and monitor your network. The good news is that UVexplorer is also inexpensive, giving you access to the power you need without breaking your budget. For more information, visit our website at www.uvexplorer.com.